The 2006-2007 Chevy Monte Carlo uses a transponder key system, which is GM's Vehicle Anti-Theft System, or Passkey 3, designed to prevent theft by requiring a special chip in the key. This video explains how to program a new transponder key yourself, saving money compared to dealership costs, which can be $50 to $200 per key, plus programming fees. DIY methods include cycling the ignition or using an OBD2 scanner to register the new key. While this is feasible, incorrect programming can damage your car's computer or immobilizer system. Only program keys for vehicles you own and consult a professional if you're unsure. We'll cover key concepts and step-by-step instructions in the next section. Here's how to program your Monte Carlo transponder key without special tools using the Try It method. For advanced setups or additional keys beyond what the Try It method allows, you'll need an OBD2 programmer. Essential tools include a blank transponder key and potentially a voltmeter. Note that trends favor app-based tools. Proceed cautiously, understanding that errors can lead to immobilizer lockouts or ECU issues. If problems arise, disconnecting the battery for 10 minutes can sometimes resolve them. If DIY fails, seek professional help.